In the name of who, good morning to all of you. Today is Wednesday time in Sydney, Australia right now. As you can see on the corner here is 7:40 a.m. Date is 8th of the March 2023. This video is going to be updating for the forecast I did 4 days ago. I think it was Saturday or Friday night Sydney time. You can check this video. And then I'll make second video which gonna be explaining about the forecast for the index. So before I say anything, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer first, and I go to the chart. So when we go to look at the Bitcoin, which I explained to you guys in this video, where is Bitcoin is heading, and I entered the market in this clip, live account and live chart. And I show you this. We say the market is heading down to this level of TP1, TP2 and TP3. You can watch that video, and that is the entry point. And market after 1, 2, 3 days, I close it here, break even with little bit profit. I show you this. As you can see, my entry point, I close the here, and that is the screenshot when I close it. This is the screenshot of when I close the Bitcoin on the profit. This is green. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the chart and I explain, because all those level I find it later on, and then we enter again because we had arrow. And as you can see here, this is live chart and the date and time, everything is live. This is one more entry. So the idea is this: when we are in the selling zone, when we get the arrow, we can sell it. Okay, so we enter here on Saturday, but I did not enter here. I missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because you might say why I didn't. Unfortunately, I had a big problem at home. My daughter got sick and we took him to the hospital and had an operation. So cut the story, long story short, I didn't watch but this is just the forecast I did on Saturday and then for the index. So I enter again here. So this is one more entry and is closed. As you can see here, market is going to heading down to those level. Of the TP1, TP2, TP3, and when market we find a level, I normally close the account after 3 days because I don't want to leave it long, and this is all reconciling, and so I didn't want to leave it so long. So as you can see, market is heading down. Hopefully it would hit those levels that we mentioned. I go to the forecast that we did for the currency, and this you can look at it and compare it, because in this video I mentioned that market on your chart, and then you will see what's going to happen this week. So hopefully if you did that, you can see it. I go to the pound Canada. As you can see, we mentioned all those levels, what is going to happen. We got the arrow here because this is selling zone, and market hit the level. Alright, just do this for my future reference. And then market is heading down to this level. This is buying. Those level I find it. This is selling one. Okay, market is 100, went up, and now it's heading down towards that level. As you can see, it's heading to this level. Imagine if you enter to the market here, that the selling zone 1, 2, and now it's going to hit this level. This level that's the level I find it before. This is the selling one. Price is 100, went above it, and we wait for the signal. The signal give us to sell it to this level. Okay, 1 entry, 2 entry and 3 entry, and as you can see now it's heading to hit this level. So for the pound Canada was correct. For the Australia pound USD, for the pound USD, that's the price. We say if the price coming under this area, go above it, then we can sell it. So market is not coming, it's coming now. Okay, now if I get the arrow here, sometimes today I would buy it to this level. I show you this. All right, this is for selling. All right, got a red ball. I mark it up. The idea is this: price has to come under this horizontal line, goes above it to the selling zone, this area, and then we can sell it. Let me see. So price is here now. Okay, because I made a mistake, I said buying, but now it has to price come to this selling zone, and then we can sell it to this level. Okay, so this is for the pound USD. For the pound Australia, I don't know, you have to actually check, because I don't know, this is going to be for buy. Okay, the idea must be price goes above it, come under it, and then we can buy. Still price did not go above this level. Okay, let me check if it's gone or not. This is not the level, this is the level. The idea is this price has to come above, make the gap coming under this horizontal line, and then we can buy it. Okay, price went above it. Okay, make the gap, if coming under it. All right, this is the forecast, it's still valid. Okay, then I can buy it. Price is here, price has to come past this horizontal line to this area, and when we get the arrow we can buy to this level. So that is for the pound Australia. I don't know if I mentioned anything about pound Australia, you can check. For the pound Japan, I don't know if I had a level on that, you can check it yourself. New Zealand CHF, nothing. Euro USD, most probably if you watch this video, I have said about the Euro USD, when we make the video clip, I said market is going to go hit this level, and it's hit. That's the reason I'm very sure, because I tick it. So definitely I said that market is heading to this level and hit. You can check it. For Euro Canada, let me see if I say on the 5th. For the Euro Canada, I don't know, you can check what I have said. I'm very sure what I'm saying, and it's gonna happen. So that is the reason. So this is for buying. Okay, this is buying one, because it's green. The idea is this: market has to come above this, make the gap, come under it, and make an arrow to buy it. Okay, it happened. I'll show you this. This is the level probably I spoke on that video. For the buying, the idea is this: if we find this level and price is here, we don't care. What we need to see under this horizontal line, market has to come above it, make the gap, pass through the line, and when we get the arrow we can buy it in the buying zone. This is buying zone to this level. So market did not come under this. You can see now it's perfect. Went up, make the huge gap. Now it's coming, pass through this line. Can you see? This is the line I mentioned. And then we get the arrow here and hit. hit the level. This is correct. I mark up for you. So that is for the Euro Canada. And then we had another entry we could buy again here to this, which I don't normally do it. I leave it. Just one entry would be okay. I did not any trade except that Bitcoin, and the rest I was busy. I was at hospital with my daughter, so I'm just updating. For Euro Australia, this is again buying. You can see it's green. The indicator give us the hidden support in the past. And this candlestick is very important. And then the idea is, as you can see, we don't care if the price is straight come under it. We don't care. We will wait. The price goes above this horizontal line, make the big gap, come through it. If this price come under here and we get the arrow, we can buy to this. Let's see if it's happening or not. Okay, the price came under it. We got arrow here. If I was at the computer, I would probably, most probably, enter to the market here for this level. Okay, bang, and this is tick done. Sorry, I changed the level. I need this for future reference. Okay, this is done. For the gold, please watch the video. What I have said about the gold in this one, please watch and compare it with what I'm saying now. So we have two levels, one for sale, which is this one, because we had the red ball. This is the level. The idea is market needs to be coming under this horizontal line, make the gap, goes above, and then this area would be selling zone. Then we get the arrow, we can sell it to this level. Let's see if happening or not. I just open that line just to see. Okay, market is under it, right? What we need to see, market needs to go above to this area. This is our selling zone, and then we get the arrow, we can just sell it. So market is here right now, so this is still valid. If the price goes past this horizontal line to this selling zone, we get the arrow, I can sell it. This is one scenario. Another one, let me show you this. This is for buy. Okay, this one is for buying because it's green. The idea, as I have mentioned before, market has to come above this horizontal line, make the big gap, which is now huge gap. If the price coming under here, right, let me explain. When price past this horizontal line come to our buying zone, we get the arrow, we can buy to this level. Let's see what's happening now. So price is here. I am waiting for the arrow. So if I get the arrow sometimes today around this area, we can buy it to this level, which is going to be how many pip? It's going to be about 196 pip almost. But our TP1 is going to be TP1, TP2 and TP3. Normally if I enter to the market for the gold, because gold is very sensitive, I just get out of the trade in this level. I don't get greedy for this. And for the Bitcoin, I explained to you guys what happened. And Bitcoin is heading down towards the level of $21,409 US dollar. Okay, this is a US broker. It's going down, heading down to that level, to hit those level. So this is the update of what I have said about forecast about the Bitcoin and the currency. I'm gonna upload this video and then I'm gonna go back and make another video about the forecast I did for the index 2 days ago. Okay, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.